Very similar. That's adorable. If I say adorable one more time, just drink every time I say adorable. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Pixi again, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Pixi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you're happy doing when you're watching this. Hope you do fabulously and safely and taking care of yourself and your loved ones. And tonight, we're going to catch up on some Quirky crates because I did cancel this, and I'm pretty sure they did not cancel it. So we're going to do two back-to-backs for January, and I do believe this is February's. And I had to email them because I'm trying to do a no-buy, even though I have a huge haul coming up that I have right here before I decided to do a no buy this year, or a low buy. Anyways, so yeah, this is January and February. I did email them. They got back to me and they said, yes, you are canceled. So stop sending me these. I love Quirky Crate, but like I can't afford them this year, and I want to just enjoy the things I have. That is why I canceled, or tried to cancel, the subscription. But I did get this one because I guess it had already processed. So this is the January one, and from what I read in the email sneak peek, it is going to be Valentine's Day themed, so that way they always do the themes like a month early, so that way for the holiday you have the accessories. Like Christmas holiday box was in November, the spooky box was in September, and so on. It's Quirky, it's a crate. I am not sponsored by these. They are $40, like $39.95 plus $8 shipping. You just get really fun stuff. It's always themed. They always support like an independent artist, so they're really fun. I will miss this box, but like I said, I just have so much stuff that I haven't really enjoyed from these boxes, but it was just really fun to do these. And so yeah, let's just get right into January. And this is how it comes. Sometimes the tissue paper changes, but it says yay for Happy Mail. Like I said, these are super cute, but I just have so much stuff to go through and so many clothes and accessories. You usually get a purse, a pin, sometimes sunglasses, and just random stuff. And then you get your little cheat sheet right here, so which we will revisit at the end of the video, at least for the January box. This is Camilla Prince. Hi, I'm Camilla. And there are her little photos, or their little photos. I'm the creative behind Camilla Prince. I'm located in Bratislavsky. Words. Kraj, Slovakia. For as long as I can remember, I've been obsessed with design and art. I have a degree in graphic design. I've been working with graphic and fashion design for over 10 years. I love creating and selling my artwork to small businesses. It gives me a chance to meet amazing people and help them create beautiful products. So her little website is right here. Sometimes it's an Instagram and sometimes it is a website. I'll link her down below. And then like I said, we have this cheat sheet. I will revisit this when this box is empty. And I see super cute stuff, of course. There we go. Don't fall. Okay. So I'm guessing this is one of her prints, and it's a sticker, and it says all you need is love and pizza. And it's a nice vinyl-y sticker, so that'll go on my sticker mirror. And then we have a Quirky pin, which usually comes with one, and it says gold hearted. And I love these pins because look at the cute little heart backs. They are adorable, and they're really good quality enamel pins, so that's really cute. And I'll just add it to my Eat a bag right here that I'm working on, or like finishing. There's not much room left, but it could go like right there. So that's adorable. And then we always get a pair of socks, which I'm going to leave in the package because they are adorable, but I might put these in a giveaway or give them to somebody I love. And there's rainbows, smiley faces. It kind of looks like the Quirky Crate box, actually. And cherries. So these are literally like Quirky Crate box socks. Very similar. That's adorable. If I say adorable one more time, just drink every time I say adorable. It's like we have a pair of sunglasses. These are just basic black heart-shaped glasses, which I think are pretty cute. I did have a pair of these before, but they broke and they're all scratched, so these might just go in my collection. I don't know yet. They're a little big on my nose, so maybe a giveaway. I don't know, because I do have a bunch of sunglasses that I try to rotate out. So heart-shaped sunglasses, And then we have a tea infuser. It's just called Tea Man, but he's cool. It's like he's chilling over a hot tub or a pool or something. Created in the Gamago Design Lab. And yeah, I think it's just like silicone. That's what it looks like. So you put your loose leaf in here, which I'll actually use because from when I got Hemp Crate, I have a bunch of loose leaf tea. So, I mean, he's chill. He's a cool dude. There you go. I will actually use him for when I'm sick or whatever again. And last but not least, for the January box, you get a purse. So, it looks like it's a conversation heart, which I really like. Yep, it says, I love you, and it's silver. And it even has silver hardware. If you're not new here, you know how I feel about the gold hardware, but okay. And then it has a matching strap with silver clips on it, and it's adjustable. So we'll add that to the purse collection. We'll add that to the, I was going to say bag, purse collection. It's cute. Let's see the phone test. Where's the phone? Phone test passed. Most of these purses, even though they're tiny in the Quirky Crate box, they do pass the phone test. So I really like that. And yeah, so let me get the February box and I will be right back. Oh, I missed one thing in the January box, and it's a necklace. And it looks like another candy heart, so that would have been cute if I'd opened it before Valentine's Day. But yeah, it's on a silver chain, which is a little knotted, but it says "Be Mine." It's jewelry. Just kidding, jewelry. But yeah, that's pretty cute. And we forgot to visit the cheat sheet. It says what's inside. The Conversation Heart Bag is worth $40. The Tea Man Infuser is $13. The Cold Hearted Enamel Pen is $10. Did I say Gold Hearted? It says Cold Hearted. It kind of looks like gold to me. Just me? Okay. I'm also very tired. I'm always tired. I'm forever tired. The Cutest Socks Ever were $8. The Camilla Print sticker is worth $4. The Conversation Heart Necklace is worth $12. And the Heart Sunnies are worth $18. So the total was $105. Like I said, this is my second to last box, but I think it's always worth the money, especially like the purse itself pays for the box. But sometimes you see the same purses on like Shein or AliExpress. But it's whatever. You get really cute theme stuff. If I were to pick a subscription box to go back to, it would definitely be Quirky Crate. But I just, like I said, I feel like my no buy, low buy this year is going to be about like enjoying my wardrobe and utilizing more of my wardrobe, like actually wearing a dress while recording, not pajamas. Be proud. Because I don't go anywhere anymore. But anyways, so like I said, we're going to open the February box, and this time it is white. This is the first time I've gotten a Quirky Crate where it was white. I either got the spooky box or like the black one that you saw. So we'll see what's in the February box because I haven't seen a spoiler yet. And again, it comes like this. Your Yay Happy Mail with pink tissue paper. And we're going to tear that. And right on top is the artist for February. It's Nikki Lotz. Yay. Hi there, I'm Nikki, a lover of all things creative, but most especially type and graphic design. We live in beautiful, peaceful Cornish countryside, with two little Yorkies, Lilliput and Lulubelle, and Mittens, our very own reincarnation of Garfield, also affectionately referred to as Kixi, Meow Meow, or Dumpling. That's adorable. I've been in graphic design in some way, shape, or form for more than 18 years now, and I can't think of living a single day without having some form of creativity in it. I created the font used for this month's sticker design. So, yay! And her website is her name, Nikki Lotz. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And then we have the cheat sheet, and the theme is Bon Voyage, so we'll visit this in a minute. And then right on top I see her sticker, which is a mixtape. It says Bon Voyage. Again, let's add it to the sticker collection for the mirror. And we have a luggage tag in rainbow. I like that a lot. And it just says, stick the tags onto each of luggage. Sign your name behind the tags by ballpoint pen. But it's like this rubbery. I like that. I don't even know where my suitcase is. And then we have a sleep mask, which is furry and purple. I might put this in a giveaway. It's purple satin. I already have a sleep mask and I never use it, but lots of these things have been in giveaways lately, or like I'm just like kind of stockpiling a giveaway thing to do multiple giveaways because a lot of this stuff I don't need or want, or I have something very similar, and that's the whole goal of this year. And hopefully like it'll encourage me to be more creative instead of just buying more stuff. Utilize what I have, all the things that we already talked about. Repeating yourself, Sarah. Okay. Let's move on. And the Quirky pen for February is this little purple smiley face. I like him. And there's the pink heart pen back. And is this a hand sanitizer? It looks like this might be a hand sanitizer container. It's just a little cactus or succulent. It has a little squeeze bottle at the end, so I'm just imagining you can put whatever you want in it, like your lotion or hand sanitizer. Another giveaway item, I believe, because I have so many hand sanitizers. And then we have fuzzy socks. I like these a lot. I'll probably keep these because these are super pastel and fuzzy with little clouds on them. They remind me of like Andy's room from Toy Story. So these are going to go in the keep pile. I am sorry. I like these. And now we have, last but not least, speaking of suitcase, a huge travel tote. So that would be awesome to take to like Disney or the beach or whatever. Crinkle, crinkle, I'm sorry. Wow, this is actually like, something fell. This is actually like a really good quality, like weekender bag. And it's this cute green checker gingham with zippers and pockets, and I love it. And there is a longer strap inside, so I could probably live out of this for a weekend if me and Panda were to go travel somewhere. Like I would just take this and put that rainbow luggage tag on it. So give it a minute. And it looks like what fell out is the keychain that goes with the bag, and how stinking cute is that? A little bear keychain to put on your weekender bag with the luggage tag. Like, see why I love these boxes and I'm gonna miss it so much? Like, that would just look darling on that weekender bag. Like, I love that. And I was just saying, like, I don't know where my luggage is, and I'm pretty sure my ex-husband took it, so I don't have any luggage, but we do want to eventually, like, take a trip to Colorado, and I've never seen the West Coast, so we've been talking about travel and stuff when everything's, like, financially, whatever. Anyways, but yeah, we've been talking about travel, and that's kind of cool that the theme was Bon Voyage. I mean, it might not happen immediately, but now I have a cool weekender bag. So, anyways, let's do the cheat sheet for the Bon Voyage box. Right here. How cute is that? I love it. I kind of want her skirt or dress, and those, I have cowgirl boots. That's such a cute combo. So this is a checkered carry-on bag for $40, paid for the box. Fuzzy eye mask for $10. Smiley enamel pen, $10. Cloud cozy socks, $12. Rainbow bag tag, $12. Cactus travel bottle, $9. And Bon Voyage tape sticker, $4. So your total was $98. And it says, like, at the bottom you can do Quirky Crate, hashtags, and, like, share your stuff. So, anyways, like I said, I'll leave Quirky Crate down below in the description if you are interested in this box. Like I said, like, I'm gonna no buy, low buy, whatever you want to call it. Like, I might just go thrifting if I get the urge, and that encourages me to still be creative with other things, and that's just, like, cheaper. And, yeah, I'll be sad to see this box go, but it's for the greater good. We don't need more stuff. I don't need more stuff. I do enjoy these unboxings with you and hauls, but we're going to be more creative this year with the things I already have. So expect a lot of projects, sewing things, crafty things, dress-up videos, making outfits with my glorious closet. But anyways, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're taking care of yourself and your loved ones. And if you smile when you look in the mirror, you're on the right path. Wear what you want, as long as it's not hurting anybody. Just ignore them. Anyways, I will talk to you in the next one. And me and Panda will see you soon. Love you. Bye. Awkward Pixie out. Love you. Bye. Love you. Bye. Love you. Bye. Love you. Bye.